subscribe with notifications on.
Right. Hey, you know, yesterday I had some people complaining about the sound. I'm not sure if you guys are able to hear me today. Right? Today I'm doing another video. Right. Guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You know, guys, Aish, yeah, ne. You know, sometimes we need to talk about things, you know. Sometimes we need to talk about things, you know. It's very important. Guys, I need to know from you. I've got a question from you guys. Most of you guys have got a question. Hey, especially South Africans. Hey, I cannot leave you guys until you wake up, until you open your eyes, until you open your minds about how we see things, how you see yourself. Some of you guys already see yourself as failures. Some of you guys already see yourself as if you don't have any opportunities and stuff like that. And guys, I'm here to encourage you. I'm a South African as well. I the same thing I did to improve my life is the same thing you guys can do as well. Am I lying, guys? Right. Now, listen. My question today is that I want to know. I want to know from you. I'm just checking something. I want to know from you why South Africans don't travel and what is the problem? Guys, let's face reality. Now we're speaking, now we're talking now. We need to talk. South Africans, why South Africans don't travel and what is the problem? Guys, I want to know what is the problem. Why South Africans don't travel? Why? Maybe not only South Africans, maybe also Africans out there. I don't know, because most, you know, I've traveled a lot. I've gone to many countries in Europe. I did a lot of, you know, cruise ships. I flew too many. I did a lot of flights. I booked flights. I booked accommodation. I booked hotels. I booked resorts. I booked so many things, guys, that I did in my life. Now I'm asking myself, I'm a South African, but why is our South Africans not traveling? Why are they scared to travel? Some of them, I was speaking to another African brother of mine. His name is MC. Yeah, I won't mention his real name. His name is MC. He called himself an MC. Right. He's got a YouTube channel as well. I asked him, my brother, why are you not traveling? Why don't you travel? You know what he said to me, guys? I'm scared to be in that water, in that cruise ship. I said, why? He said to me, what if it sinks? I don't know how to swim. I said, my brother, you are telling me about, you are scared about the sea. I mean, if you go into the sea, perhaps you might even survive. What about the plane? What about the plane? Being in a plane is a risk, a very huge risk. Because if for instance, I'm not saying it will happen, if for instance that thing were to crash, if it were to crash, guys, what will happen if the plane were to crash? What will happen? Will you survive? Will you come out alive? What will happen? You will never come out alive. Never. You lose your life instantly. So a cruise ship is even better because, you know, that thing that you can't even feel it. That it doesn't shake. You can't even feel it. So most South African people say, I cannot travel because of I don't have money. I cannot travel because of I'm waiting. Maybe God will bless me. I will wait until God bless me. Maybe I'll play lotto one day. I'll win lotto when I've got money. Let me tell you something. If you are waking now, and you are not able to take yourself to the restaurant to spend a mere $50, $50 maybe it's about 600 rand, 700 rand, or it is 1,000 rand. Let me tell you something. You will never again. You will never, ever, ever again. Hold on a second, guys. Dogs is making noise. Hold on a second. Hey, hey. Go out. Yeah. Sorry guys. My dogs are making noise. We're making noise. Alright. So, if you are waking, you are not able to take yourself to a restaurant to have a meal. Imagine to have a meal for a mere 300 rand, or maybe take yourself out to go and have a meal in a restaurant. Go to the spa, or maybe take your family out to the spa, or maybe pay perhaps a buffet. How would you travel? Because traveling doesn't need 300 rand. Traveling doesn't need 500 rand. Traveling doesn't need 1,000 rand. It needs money. When I'm talking about money, it needs money. Now, hold on a second. Sorry guys. Now, traveling needs money, guys. Traveling needs money, right? If you can't afford a meal for just 200 rand, how do you think you can even afford a girlfriend? How would you afford a girlfriend? But surprisingly enough is the fact that I see a lot of South African people. They go to the pubs, they drink too much, they do this and this and this. They love drinking. During weekends, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you'll be shocked. There's a lot of people who are actually sitting on the streets. Many of them, the streets are full on a weekly basis, especially during weekends. Why the streets are full is because these guys, some of them, they just walk. They don't know where they're going. They walk. You find that in 10 minutes, you see one person walking to this direction. Within that 10 minutes, again, that person is coming back. Another 20 minutes, that person is walking us again. Another 30 minutes, that person is walking again. You ask yourself, why are they on the street? Why are they on the street? Guys, let me tell you something. There's a lot of things you can do about making money. You can make money easy. Your cell phone that you have, that you used to go to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those type of things. Some of you guys, you even spend money to watch porn. Yeah? To watch porn. Why do you want to abuse yourself? Why do you want to abuse yourself? Why do you want to abuse your feelings? Can't you get a girlfriend and sit there and at least have quality time together with that girlfriend instead of you being watching porn? You understand? So these are things that makes our South African people not understanding anything about life because they don't travel. You live a stereotype life whereby you want to be in one place together. Like I was saying yesterday, you were born in Cape Town. You grew up in Cape Town. You go to school in Cape Town. You get married in Cape Town. You build a house in Cape Town. Where is your life? Nothing. Your life is just, in one place. How are you going to be successful? So, use your smartphone. Do you know that you can even own a big company truck company You can own a fleet of cars without having to